Good morning, Rumi. Hello. Happy birthday. Ta-da! Your birthday gift.
Oh my God, Zoey. That's wonderful. Thank you for the gift and your wishes. Coming quickly.
Mira said to me that she will be a little late today. Haha, I knew it. Mira is still fussing over her pet dog whose fur is falling out at your house.
Rumi, my love, happy birthday to you.
Oh my God, my love. It's wonderful. Thank you for the gift and your wishes.
Huh?
Coming quickly.
Yummy.
Oh my God. Did I see it wrong? Or am I having a dizzy spell? Why did the cake, which was half eaten, grow a new piece? Why did it return to its original state? Hey, Zoey, do you see it?
Yes.
What about you? Do you see it?
Yes.
Let's try one more time and see.
Oh my God, what's going on? The cake has been eaten twice. And not only is it not finished, but more cakes are growing. What should we do, Rumi?
Zoey, calm down. Listen to me. I think we have a way. We need to investigate and find out about this cake. But we have to wait for Mira to arrive. The three of us, me, you, and Mira, can work together. We need to keep this secret from my boyfriend. First, let him go home and wait for Mira to arrive.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go! Rumi, your younger sibling has arrived, so I'll leave first. Happy birthday.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a great time.
What should I do now, Mira?
First, let me try the cake, and then we can shrink together. Okay. Just as I thought, to react to our hidden magic.
Wow, that's amazing.
Zoey, it's your turn to eat now. Eat up. Don't play with the pieces. We want to see how you looked as a kid. Zoey, don't be afraid. Eat quickly. Fine. Only you two will get to see how I looked when I was young. Oh, wow. Our baby Zoey is so adorable. Mira, let's go inside the cake. All right. Don't worry, Rumi. We'll be outside to support you. Whoa! Wow! It turns out that inside that birthday cake is a path to the Candy Kingdom. The children in front of the screen must really love this place, right? It's truly wonderful.
Ha ha ha! Hello to the adorable girl and the children watching. I am the king of this Candy Kingdom. How did you get here, little girl?
Is he really the king?
Yeah, that's right. I am the king of this place, but I am old now. I no longer have the strength to govern here, so I am looking for a suitable person to succeed the throne. If you have wandered here, let me show you around, and then I will take you back.
Thank you.
Let's go! This kingdom is wonderful. Here, I could eat candies all my life without running out. It truly is my childhood dream. But I have to go home now. Eating too much candy can cause cavities and isn't good for health. Kids, remember to take care of your health.
Oh, little cute child, do you want to become the king of this sweet Candy Kingdom?
Thank you, King. But I have to go home now. Thank you and goodbye.
Oh, ho, 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 this little cat is so adorable. It's a pity. So what about the kids in front of the screen? Do you want to be the next king of this candy kingdom, huh?